In this video I will show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto and fiat money from Blofin. So let's don't waste time and go straight into the content. If you don't have an account, then you have to create an account on Blofin. You can click on the link in the description and you get up to this page. And here you can create an account with your email and your password or with your phone number. And if you're using the link in the description or this referral code, you get 20% cashback off the trading fees. And I made an exclusive deal with Blofin, so you can get exclusively 20% cashback on your fees, because most influencers give you 0 or 10% cashback, but I give you 20%, which normally flow to me or to Blofin. And with this 20% cashback, you get the lowest trading fees on the whole crypto market. So if you don't have an account, or if you have an account with 0 cashback, then you can make an account here. As I said, you have to fill in your email, your password, and then you click on sign up. If you created an account, you come up to this page. And if you want to deposit money with fiat, you click on buy crypto. Then you will come up to this page. And here you can decide which currency you want to deposit. And here you can type in the amount, for example, 1000 USDT you want to deposit. Then you can see how much USDT you will get. And here you can select the deposit method. For example, we want to deposit with Master or Visa. We click on buy now. Then we tick this little circle right here, click on pay. Then we come up to this page, you can fill in your MasterCard or Visa card, and then you can buy here the crypto without KYC. And if you want to deposit money with crypto, you click on assets and on funding. Then you come up to this page, you can click on funding account or spot, and then you click on deposit. And here you can select the crypto you want to deposit, for example, USDT. Then you select the network. I take TRC20 because it's very cheap. And then you will get your deposit address or your QR code. And here you can deposit the money with crypto. And if you want to withdraw money with crypto, you click on assets and on funding. This time you click on withdraw. And here you can select the currency you want to withdraw, for example, USDT. Then you fill in the withdrawal address where you want to withdraw your crypto. Then you select the network, for example, TRC20. And here you can type in the amount you want to withdraw. And then you will click on withdraw. So now I showed you how to deposit money and withdraw money from Blofin. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, then write it down in the comments. And I also made a complete trading tutorial for Blofin. If you want to see this, click on the link in the description or click on the outro. Thank you really much for watching and see you in the next video.